Dear student of class 6, I am Rajendra Rai from LPM Public School, Golabazar, Gorakhpur, presenting this video for your learning. And dear student, in the science, chapter 3 that I am going to discuss here, and topic is the question and answer exercise, that is class 6 science. My dear students, come to exercise of very short answer question. Very short answer question. And answer exercises. My dear student, you have to write these questions. Since this is the classwork, you have to write these question answer into your classwork copies. And I have said this during the online classes also. So, question number 1, BSA. Number 1, BSA. What are the fibers? What are, question number A, and that will be in the page number, that will be the page number 56 and 57. 56 and 57. So question number 1, what are the fibers? So you can write this answer as the fibers are made naturally and artificially to make fabrics. You can answer this fabrics. You can answer the question number 1 like this in one line. Now come to question number 2. Give 2 examples of each of the natural fiber and synthetic fiber. You have to give the examples. So, natural fibers are silk and cotton. While synthetic fibers are nylon and polyester. My dear student, come to question number that question from I am going to take the another question from short answer section. Yes A. Now come to yes A. And in yes A, question number 1. How are fabric fibers classified? So, question number 1 again, the fibers are classified as natural, classified on the basis of their origin. The examples are we can get natural fibers from plants and animals like silk and cotton and silk, also can manufacture synthetic fibers from synthetic fibers like nylon and polyester. My dear student, come to the short answer question. One more question is 6. Define the following terms. Question number 6. And the definition of these terms like rating, RETTING, rating. The separation of fibers from stem in jute. Then spinning. Spinning. Spinning is the process of making yarn from fibers. And next, that is the ginning. So you can write it ginning. The process of separation of seeds, from cotton fiber. So, my dear students, these are the very short answer and short answer questions. Two questions that I have given you as the example, and you can write it. So, see the board how you are looking this, and after that we will be able to, my dear student, conclude this video by adding some more questions from long answer section. Now come to the long answer questions, and these questions are question number 3. Explain the steps involved in the processing of wool. Explain the steps involved in the processing of wool. Question number 3. The processing of wool. The processing of wool can be explained as completed as follows. And in this number 1, that is the shearing. Shearing. In this isolation of cutting of hairs of goat, animal. Then next step is grinding, separating places. Second is the grinding, separation of fleece, separation of fleece from damaged wool. Then next is the carding. C is carding. This is the process of rolling after drying. Process of rolling after drying, and last is spinning. E is spinning, making yarn from fiber to make fabric. So my dear student, this is the answer of question number 3, which is taken into the consideration. And one more question that I would like to take here, that describe the two main processes of making fabric from yarn. So the making two methods like knitting. In the knitting, that is the hand knitting, this is the process by which the fabric can be made, like wool fabric. And second is weaving, that is the process of weaving cloths from the yarn which are made from the different fibers. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, like it. If you dislike this video, dislike it. If you like this video, subscribe my channel for your knowledge. Thank you. Good day.